Another item we can look at under the heading of trapping is tent bands. Now, they're not always used as tent bands. I've got quite a few of them, but I thought I show you one which is used for another purpose as well. Obviously, tent bands is self-explanatory. They're used to tie down the tents or for tent decoration and so on and so forth. This piece is a really pretty Baluch piece in, again, very good condition. It's got these small pompons on them. I'll try and show you a close-up of it after I've finished this. The interesting thing with this is, first of all, it's very narrow. And it also has its original lock at the end of it. It's really nicely decorated over here, and it's got this leather strap that is tied in or sewn in really tightly onto the tent band itself. Now, what this used to be used for is when they put loads on a donkey or a horse or a camel, they would have to tie it down, and this is what they use for tying it down. They would wrap this around the camel or the donkey or whatever, and then feed the end through here like this and tighten it really hard, and then tie it. It has a hook here like this, and this would really tighten it up and secure it. So this is what it was used for. You can see it better like this. It's also double-sided. This is one side, that's the other. You can see it here as well. It's got these pompons woven onto it. At the other end, it's been woven very tightly to make it very strong. And this is the end that basically goes into this lock here and is pulled through, and then goes around these hooks to make it really tight.